Looking for a cushion replacement for your BlueParrott B350? You're in the right place. Let me show you what you're going to get. You get a package like this that's compostable, and you should get 2 foam cushions along with 2 leatherette cushions and 4 separate individual microphone windscreens. All right. Now, if the windscreens get flattened like this, give it just a little bit of time and they'll puff right out. Okay. Now let's go to the install. On the B350, you've got a couple of different cushions that you could use. Let me show you how to put those on. With the leatherette, it's the easiest way to do it is just grab the lip and just slide it through. And just keep doing that. And you're all set with the leatherette. It's nice and comfortable, good as new. With the foam, same thing. Now you want to be a little careful here with the foam because the opening on the back is much smaller and it's meant to fit snug on the B350. What we're going to do is the same thing. We're going to just put my finger underneath here, grab it. I'm just going to slowly pull on it and keep turning. And now, good as new. Let's do the windscreen. So on the B350, you have these nodules. On the microphone, you have these 2 white dots. These 2 white dots should always point towards the mouth to ensure optimal sound, because if you have it twisted and those 2 dots are pointing away from your mouth, you're not going to get the audio as intended, and you might sound actually kind of muffled. So when you put it on, make sure the 2 white dots are pointing towards you. What we want to do is slightly open the windscreen a little bit, and then pull. And just tug on it gently. Again, just take your time. No need to rush it. It only takes about 15 seconds to get on there. And now you've got the essential parts of your microphone covered. You could still see the 2 white dots pointing towards your mouth, which is what we want. And that's what we've done with these windscreens. So you always know if the microphone is twisted or you've accidentally rotated it in the wrong direction. That way you're always in the game when it comes to using your B350. And how do you know which B350 you have? Because BlueParrott has an older version. It'll say BlueParrott B350-XT. And it'll look like this. It'll have this gray look to it, the BlueParrott logo. And that's all you need to do with your BlueParrott B350 cushion kit to get your BlueParrott up and running and feeling like new again.